Hey everybody, it's PJ. I'm here with the puppies. Today is day 13. All of their eyes are open. So the average for puppies to open their eyes is day 14. Sometimes they start as early as like day 10. These guys open their eyes on 4 of them did yesterday, and Monica was open today. So they're sleeping. I kept waiting for them to wake up and get playful, but they just keep sleeping. Apparently it's a lot of energy to open your eyes. Isn't that right, Phoebe? Phoebe's been licking my arm non-stop, but I took it away to hold the camera. Go back to licking it. Go back to licking my arm like you were. Apparently my arm tastes really good. So everybody is doing absolutely wonderfully. They're all getting big, opening their eyes. I think 3 of them have tripled their birth weights. The other 2 will triple tomorrow. Everybody's gaining really, really well. Show everybody your eyes. I'm just gonna go back to sleep. They are just sleepy, sleepy puppies today. You can see this one is Rachel. She's a little redder than everybody else. You can see who these are, the 2 boys. This one's Chandler closer, and that's Joey there, and that's Monica over there. I got Phoebe on my lap. Can you say hi to everybody? I'm pretty sure she's gonna pee on me, but sometimes you just have to deal with a little puppy urine sometimes when you want loving. So we have the new whelping boxes done. So I would love to have had this done in time, but the pandemic put everything way behind schedule. So the point is it's done now, and that's what's important. It has got multiple coats of polyurethane on it so we can keep it nice and clean, because it's important that it gets thoroughly cleaned between puppies. These bars here, and you guys were asking Jade yesterday, I don't know what she was thinking because she knows what they're for, but they're there to give the puppies space to get away, in case they're so you don't have to worry about getting smothered. Oh, big puppy stretches. Big puppy stretches. I'm just gonna hang out upside down. So this is the notched door. It's got the hinges here, so that folds up. So Lacey can get easily in and out while the puppies are small, and then if we need to keep them in, we can close that. And then this is actually a hinge door that goes sideways here, so that when they are ready to start weaning and eating solid foods, which will be next week. Not that they're weaning next week, but they'll start on solid foods next week. They'll be able to go into that addition. So Creedon is working hard on getting that addition built. Sleepy, sleepy puppies. Having little dreams. I should switch you and put someone else on my lap. You're just so content. You're just so content. Everybody is gaining weight really well. There's still only like 200 grams separating the smallest to the largest. Rachel is still the smallest, and Phoebe is still the largest, but Joey, I think, is going to pass Phoebe soon. I think she's going to pass Phoebe soon, but I mean, you can look, this is Rachel right here, and that's Joey. So you can see there's not a very big size difference at all. They're all doing really well. They're all over 3 pounds now. And like I said, 3 of them have tripled their birth weights, and the other 2 will triple tomorrow. So they're meeting all their milestones really, really well. Lacey's doing an awesome, awesome job feeding them. And before I know it, they'll be running around and yapping and puppy growling and all of that. Right, Monica? Right, Miss Monica? You want to come sit on my lap? No, you want to hide under there. You're just so content. Where you going, Monica? What was that? What was that, Miss Phoebe? Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. So thank you all for your congratulations on Brett's baby. He is finally here, as many of you saw, and he's doing really, really well. So we appreciate that. You guys really aren't going to wake up, huh? I've been like waiting to go live, waiting for them to wake up. And are their eyes blue? No, I don't think their eyes are blue. I would be shocked if their eyes were blue. These are not blue-eyed puppies. All right, time to switch. From the biggest to the smallest. And there is not that big of a difference, let me tell you. You're sitting up? Huh? You're going back down. I'm going back down. It takes hard work to grow and put on weight. This guy. He likes sleeping on his back. Just being quiet and happy. Lacey's in here somewhere. She's being quiet too. Oh, I just heard Lacey sigh. Where you going, Monica? Just wanted to be on top. Apparently that's a more comfortable position, being on top of her brother. Again, thank you guys for all the wishes, well wishes, and congrats on Brett's new baby. I really appreciate that. Okay, you two are cracking me up. Ah, you just kicked the camera. You just kicked the camera, silly boy. Where'd she go? And the boards around the bottom are just for protecting the puppies. It just gives them a little space to go if where they don't have to worry about being crushed by mama. Just a little safe zone. You're gonna fall off, Monica, if you're not careful. She's just like snuggling in there, getting all comfy. I don't know where she thinks she's going. Oh, you fell off. Alright, for those of you just joining us, these are Great Bernese puppies. They are a cross between the Great Pyrenees mom and a Bernese Mountain Dog dad. There are 2 boys and 5 girls. This one here is Chandler. And that one's Joey. Those are the 2 boys. Monica's on top of Joey. Rachel's on my lap. And Phoebe's over here. Monica's being all sorts of silly. They're growing really, really well. 3 of them have tripled their birth weights, and 2 of them will have tripled it tomorrow. They just missed it today. Next week they'll start we'll start introducing some solid foods. They won't be weaned for a little bit after that, but they'll get themselves nice and messy. Nice and messy. I keep thinking they're gonna wake up, but they just keep sleeping. That's kind of why I climbed in and started the video, but not yet. Monica just cannot find a comfy place. Joey is just not quite what what she wants. These two. Jerry's like, okay, I've had about enough of this. Oh, you fell off. You fell off. You're back on. Meanwhile, Rachel is content to just lie on my lap. Apparently I make a more comfortable, consistent bed than Joey does. I don't know what she's dreaming about, though. Alright, Miss Rachel, it is time to swap out. Come here. Monica, I was just going to pick Chandler up. I was just going to pick Chandler up. Alright. Snuggle Muffin, come snuggle with me. Oh. There you go. There you go. So all of their eyes are open now. 4 of them opened yesterday and Monica's opened today. So ahead of schedule. They want them open by 14 days usually. Is that more comfortable? Oh, big yawn. Big puppy yawn. And lots of licks. You want to wake up yet? Those are some wide yawns. Yes, they are. So we're just being quiet, just relaxing. You know, what you keep looking at and yawning at? You gonna lick my red shirt? Okay. If you must. It doesn't really taste that good. You're antsy. You don't feel like sleeping, huh? Okay. Let's give these boys a turn. Oh, Chandler. She's going right back on top. Come here, why don't you lie on Phoebe? Lie on the both of them. Well, sorry, they're not awake for you guys. I thought they would have woken up by now. If Monica hasn't succeeded in waking them all up. What are you doing, Goofy? Ugh, Phoebe's stretching. big stretch. And she's right on top of Rachel's head. You know, Chandler is just as content as can be. Excuse me. So silly. I gotta change this sheet today. Graydon set the whelping box on top of the sheet. So I'm not sure how he expects me to change this sheet, but I gotta take care of that. I gotta call him, because I gotta believe, I haven't lifted this whelping box up, but I gotta believe it's heavy. But I can tell you guys, it is so much more comfortable sitting in this thing than it was sitting in the pool. So this is much, much nicer. Yeah, puppy therapy is exactly what I needed today. Exactly what I needed. Come here, Joey. They're getting, used to be able to pick them up with one hand, no problem. Getting harder to do it with one hand. Aren't you? I'm getting so big. You're such a big boy. He's number 2 on weight right now, but I have a feeling he's gonna pass days. Big chunky belly. I don't want to jinx it, but so far I haven't been peed on, so that's nice. That's nice, isn't it? Lacey, you gonna come feed them anytime soon, or no? I'm not exactly sure when she fed them last, but they're not exactly acting hungry. Jade with more supplies. We keep having more and more supplies come in. Had this not been in the pandemic, we would have had all of these supplies in before she had her puppies. But
we've got the pad you were looking for. We got the dish. We got the puppy.
Can I see the pads?
Yeah, I still got more stuff to carry. We got the puppy pellets.
That's what? That's the pad?
Yeah, I'm guessing. I don't know.
Yep, those are the pads. Oof.
And then we also got the crates.
I can't open this and open.
I can't help you. I gotta look at
You can't just rip the plastic open for me?
No.
Wow, I was denied. Joey, she said no, so I can't open your pad. Yeah, so had the I can't even talk today. Had the pandemic not occurred, we would have had everything built, ordered, in place before these puppies even got here. But as it is, we're doing the best we can. And so we're a little behind. But they're getting everything they need. And if they have to live on goat sheets, clean goat sheets for now, they don't care, do ya? You're gonna lick my finger too? Does my hand taste good? Yay, the cage is in. Here, open this. We have to figure out, Graydon put the box on top of the sheet, so I can't get the sheet out. That's supposed to fit this size exactly, but let's see whether it does.
Just tear it open?
Yeah. It's just plastic bag. Look at my fingers.
Ooh, it's soft.
Oh. Okay, that helps.
What? What do you want me to do? There's a lot more stuff to bring up.
Is it one or two? Because I thought I ordered more than one. It's just the one?
Over there.
Okay. Alright, well, let's try it. Just because we can.
Can I go get
Here.
the rest of the stuff first?
Oh! Oh, I'm stuck. Hi, Lacey. Somebody forgot to put the mattress back up, and looks like you slept on the mattress all night, didn't you? Oh, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Oh, look at this puppy pad. It's gonna be so nice and soft. So nice and soft. No, they're not suffering. I'm generally way ahead of everything, where I have everything ahead of time, so. Okay.
There you go. I knew that was gonna happen.
Just leave it. Oh, is it sliding?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put it flat on the ground.
Right on my toes.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
If any of you have to go to the bathroom, now is a good time before I put the new pad down. This is not a one-handed job. Alright, well, I'm going to sign off because I'm just going to be frustrated if I try and do this with one hand. Because it's not a one-handed job. So those are the puppies. All are doing great. All are gaining weight like champs. Eyes are all opened. We're tripled on 3 of the puppies, and the other 2 will triple their birth weight tomorrow. And very, very happy. Thank you guys for all the well wishes on Brett's new baby. We are super duper excited that he is finally here and safe. And life is very good right now. So thank you guys.